No, I became emotional when I heard that I have been given this award. Naturally, I never thought of it that I may get it. I don't know whether I deserved it or not. But naturally, those who might have chosen, they must have considered many things on it. So, I'm really very happy and honored to receive this award.
Sir, over the years, Indian team because of the transition period after किस तरीके से देखते हैं हमारी इंडियन हॉकी को और किस डायरेक्शन में जाएगी?
Everybody is working very hard. There is no doubt about it. The Hockey India is pretty doing great job. The government is supporting. The Sports Authority of India is also helping us. Everybody is helping us, and naturally, in the last two Olympic Games, 20 and 24, we had a winning side, and that's why we won the bronze medal. Defeating other teams, Spain, and so in my opinion, this team, because those who were old players, they are no more in this team. So the junior team which played the World Cup in Madras, some of the youngsters and good players, they have been inducted into the mainstream, and if for them it is being difficult to adjust how they should be adjusted in the main team, because the Asian Games is there, the World Cup is there. So we have very short time to do so, to become a champion side. But actually they must be working out. सब लोग लगे हैं हिंदुस्तान के हॉकी के ऊपर के हमारी टीम जो है वो कुछ कर दिखाए. Asian Games is not a problem, but definitely World Cup will be having a tough time because European is being held. So it is being held in Belgium and Holland, and both the teams are very strong, being host also. Another team, Germany is there, the India is there, the Australia and Great Britain and New Zealand, whatnot. Everybody is there. So we have a larger competition, unlike in other sports. So we have a tough competition. In cricket, you may be having very limited strong teams. You can reach easily in the first four semi-final. But at the same time, Indian team is also very strong. So they have an advantage. When in hockey, under 24 countries, they play. So naturally, we have been facing the difficult times for last 30, 40 years. So this time we'll try again to do well. But my only thing is that if you don't win, it doesn't mean that we had a bad team or whatever, quality players we have to go with them only. But at that level, you have to compare not from the Indian perspective, but we have to think what type of quality player are required at that level from Australia, Germany, Holland. If that standard is very high and we have a certain below that, then we will have a problem. But I'm sure they must be trying. That's why FIH Pro League, we have lost badly against many teams. But they must be working out how. We are also having, concerned about it, how we should improve in the shortest possible time. Time is not there. So Manpreet has already gone. There's so many players. Shrijesh has gone, and maybe 7-8 players have already left. So this is the position of our team. I hope we'll try to do better. But one should not expect we should sit on the gold medal podium. It's not so easy. You can do a PhD in 3.5 years or 4 years. It is so easy, but you cannot win a medal at that level within that period. So it may take time.